You know, we'd like to introduce Miss Tonga, or Miss Heilala 2015, wearing her island creation that she wore when she attended Miss Pacific Islands. Miss South Pacific has since changed its name, the pageant, to Miss Pacific Island. And so we'd like to introduce her at this time. If she could please join us. Malo elele from my island kingdom of Tonga. Miss Tonga's island creation will be featured at this time. My island creation is the collaborative hard work of the youth and women's group of my mother's village, Kolomotua.
My headpiece is a branch of black coral from Tonga, reminding us how we Pacific Islanders are connected through our vast Pacific Ocean. The lovely lily flowers are made out of green coconut, bounded on the bounder and hand-twisted to accentuate my entire outfit.
My necklace are pearls made by Lisita Tupou of Lisita Pearls of Tonga. My cape is made out of kafa, decorated with white shells or gelea from my grandfather's village, Whangaloa, on the island of Upolu, Samoa.
Attached close to my heart is a bouquet of kafa frangipani, in which our spirit of adventure is created. My dress is a two-piece puletasi, a traditional Tongan attire. The top part contains black and white pandanus, hand-woven to a design called the lalanga pekepeka, a type of fala or mat. Now, this is a rare technique which Tongan women are trying to revive. Underneath my fala top is depicting the way tapa is presented with pride in our traditional events.
My skirt is made out of white tapa, accessorizing it our kie kafa or wraparound, made out of hundreds of meters of braided coconut kafa. Kie is worn as a sign of respect. On the bottom of the skirt is the hand-knotted black kafa decorated with white gelea shells.
Ladies and gentlemen, my waist is attached with my kafa train, secured by 3 white shells or pureoto, reminding myself as Miss Tonga my responsibilities to God, King, and my country, Tonga. Miss Tonga is wrapped by her culture and tradition, Christian beliefs and values,
and expresses gratitude for the opportunity to have represented the Kingdom of Tonga at Miss Pacific Islands 2015, where in this island creation, she did place second runner-up. Once again, Brittne Mahealani, Tupou Vakataupule Fuimaono, current reigning Miss Heilala.
Coronation, fia, fia, iheiki.